Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essential prerequisites. Your Bravia model supports screen mirroring or Chromecast, and both TV and device share the same Wi-Fi network. Once you've updated firmware, open TV settings and enable display or Chromecast features. Make sure any guest network is off. On your phone or laptop, open the casting option in Quick Settings or Chrome. Begin searching for nearby devices. You'll see the Bravia name appear. Tap it to initiate the connection and move to the next step. Once your device discovers the Bravia, select it and accept the connection prompt on the TV. Sometimes you'll need to confirm a PIN shown on screen, so make sure you can view both displays. After connected, check resolution and orientation on your source to match the TV. Choose 16:9 or exact mirror for best result. Make sure audio is routed to the TV from device settings. If you're streaming apps, allow them permission to cast. This reduces lag and maintains color and audio fidelity. To finalize, verify playback quality and alignment. Pause and resume video, test full screen, and adjust TV picture modes if colors look off. If connection drops, stop background apps and disable VPNs on the source. These can block discovery. When nothing else works, restart the TV and router with a 30-second power cycle. That often clears IP conflicts. As a final fallback, connect via HDMI for wired mirroring. If you still see issues, recheck Wi-Fi bands and firewall settings on the router to restore steady casting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.